Hi traders, I want to go about bar by bar analysis for bounce method. So this is a Thursday. Again, we're only going for just 1 hour of trading session. First 1 hour, first 60 minutes. So we have an opening. Where is our opening? That should be 9. Okay, yeah, right there. So our opening is at 9:30 right here. So we're looking for a bounce with a wick from 34 EMA from this gold line, 34 EMA. This one I did not take this one because it's bounced into 34 EMA, not through it. So I skipped on this one. This was a valid setup. This was a compound 34B. It's like bounce from 89, and it's also from 34, and it's also from 21. So this was a good solid signal. We're looking for 2 bars. We would end up here. But it ended up being a very good move. So then price accelerates to the downwards to the settlement line. This cyan line is the settlement line and yellow line is a pivot point. So it came back to this pivot, to this 34 EMA, and I took this trade, but I was taken out, immediately, because, and it's reasonable to do so because of these wicks here. So I kinda knew it, but I thought since this is a strong move I would take it anyway. But it bounced into this settlement line and came back again. So and I took on this one, the next one, and yeah, I took for a larger profit for 4 bars because it kind of makes sense. It rejected these areas and it's probably gonna try to make another low, at least to retest it. So instead of 2 bar profit, I took a 4 bar profit, which is here. So this is trade number 2. This is 34R trade, as well as this one. I hesitated on this one, but it was a valid signal. Also we have a signal here. It's like a bounce from 34 EMA and 21 EMA and settlement lines. So it's a compound and it's double wicks. So it's compound 89B trade with double wicks. That was a big signal. So then price, continued this up for almost 10 minutes without giving us a signal. It just made a V recovery. So the next one was here. You wouldn't take this trade because it's not close to 34 EMA, at least not for me, and you have this wick here. So, but by the time it reached here, and when it closed here, it cleared those highs, so it was a good signal. So it's another signal, and we had another signal here, 34B. There was this signal, but this was a failure because it started to roll over. Maybe it was a second leg down, but anyways, it was a failure, failed 34B. But on this one, it made sense that it's gonna continue. It's gonna continue up and retest those highs. So this one was easy with increased take profit. This was easily 4 bars take profit. So, and the last trade was this one, 89B. So you could say this would be a trade, but it's in 239.89B, but this was a good setup. This is 89 pounds from 89B. Yeah, you don't want to take this short since it's you'll be coming to this week's. So for this wild session we had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 trades, reasonable setups, and only 2 failures. So it was a good session. It was a V recovery price action, and even though we got fewer trades than normal, but it still performed really well and made us money. Thanks for watching.